Did you know an empress from the slums once talked a terrified emperor out of running away and saved an entire empire? Theodora was not born into power. She grew up performing in the circus, the daughter of a bear trainer. In Byzantine society, that was about as low as you could go. But she married Emperor Justinian and became one of the most powerful women in the ancient world. Then came January 532 AD. The Nika riots had torn Constantinople apart. The city was on fire. Rebels had surrounded the palace. Justinian's own generals were ready to flee by sea. Justinian himself was packing to escape. That is when Theodora stood up and spoke. She told the room that a man who had lived as emperor should die as one. She said purple made a fine burial shroud. The generals went quiet. Justinian stayed. He sent his best commander into the city, and within days the revolt was crushed. 30,000 rebels were killed. The empire survived because a woman from the circus refused to run.